Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to create a parameter and apply a filter in Jaspersoft Studio. We will use an existing report called Employee Policy Details Report. This is the current output of the report. As you can see, all policy records are displayed, and there are no parameters configured yet. Now, let's create a new parameter. In the outline view, right-click on Parameters and select Create Parameter. Enter the parameter name as policy type and set the data type to java.lang.string. If required, you can also define a default value for the parameter. This value will be used automatically when no input is provided. Make sure the is for prompting option is enabled. This allows Jaspersoft Studio to display a prompt and accept user input when the report is previewed. Next, we will use this parameter in our SQL query. Open the dataset and edit the query. Add a where condition to filter the records based on the parameter value. Here, $p is the syntax. Where policy underscore type equals $p policy type. Click OK. Now let's preview the report. When the report runs, Jaspersoft Studio displays a prompt for the policy type parameter. Enter the value term and click OK. The parameter value is passed to the SQL query, and the report is filtered accordingly. As you can see, only the records with policy type equal to term are displayed in the report output. This is how you can create a parameter, prompt users for input, and use the parameter value to filter report data in Jaspersoft Studio. Now, we need to define the filter condition. In the filter expression editor, enter the following condition. $f status equals approved. This expression checks whether the value in the status field is equal to approved. Click OK and save the report. Next, preview the report. When the report is generated, Jaspersoft Studio evaluates the filter expression for each record. Only the records where the status value is approved satisfy the condition and are included in the report output. All other records, such as pending or rejected, are filtered out and not displayed. As you can see, the report now shows only the approved records. This is how you can use a filter expression in Jaspersoft Studio to control which records are displayed in a report. Thank you for watching.